Stop! Before you say another word in English, watch this. Every day, millions of English learners use the same 7 words again and again. The same words every single day. These words are not wrong, but they are making your English sound basic, simple, like a beginner. And the worst part? You don't even know you are doing it. Today, that changes. My name is Garrett, and in the next few minutes, I will show you 7 words you need to stop using, and the better words that will make people think you have been speaking English your whole life. We will learn together. We will practice together. And by the end of this video, your English will never sound the same again. Welcome to English Story Class. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on our next lesson. So, let us begin. How are you? It is Monday morning. Mark arrives at his office. He sees his colleague, Sarah, near the door. Mark wants to greet her, but he always says the same thing. How are you? How are you? This is correct English, but we say it too much. It can sound a little boring, a little too formal. Let's learn better ways to greet people, ways that sound more natural, more friendly.
Hey, Sarah, what's up?
Hey, Mark. Not bad. How's it going with you?
Pretty good. Hey, what's good with you today?
Just ready for work. Come on, let's go inside.
Right after you.
Repeat after me. Hey, what's up? Hey, how's it going? You all right? Hey, what's good? Very good. You are doing great.
Beautiful. It is now lunchtime. Mark and Sarah walk outside. They see a woman in an elegant dress walking past. Mark wants to say something, but he only knows one word.
Wow, she is very beautiful.
Beautiful is a good word, but in English we have many words that mean beautiful. Using different words makes your English richer, more interesting. Let us learn the better words now. Attractive. She is very attractive. Gorgeous. That dress is gorgeous. Dazzling. Her smile is dazzling. Stunning. The view from here is stunning. Splendid. What a splendid afternoon. Radiant. She looks radiant today. Later, Mark sees a painting in a gallery window.
That painting is stunning. And look at those colors. Absolutely dazzling.
His colleague smiles. Mark sounds like a true English speaker now. Let's continue to word number 3, which is very happy. Back at the office, it is almost 3 o'clock. Kevin gets a message. His team has won a new contract. Big news. His manager calls him into her office.
Kevin, I wanted to tell you personally, the client loved your presentation. We got the deal.
Wow, that is wonderful. I am very happy.
Very happy. We say this all the time, but in English we have much stronger words. Words that show more feeling, more energy. Let us learn them. Thrilled. I am thrilled to hear that. Overjoyed. We are overjoyed with the result. Delighted. I am absolutely delighted. Ecstatic. The team is ecstatic right now. On top of the world. Honestly, I feel on top of the world. Wonderful. You are doing a great job. We are almost done. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. Now, let's continue to the next one. Word number 4, which is very good. Later that afternoon, Sarah presents the results to her team. Everyone is listening. She wants to describe the numbers, the performance, but she keeps using the same word.
Our sales this month were very good. The customer feedback was very good. The team performance? Also very good.
Very good. 3 times in 3 sentences. That is too much. When you use the same word again and again, people stop listening. Let us learn the words that make people pay attention. Repeat after me. Excellent. Our sales this month were excellent. Outstanding. The customer feedback was outstanding. Impressive. The team's performance was truly impressive. Fantastic. Honestly, the results are fantastic. Amazing. What you all did this month is amazing. You are doing an excellent job. Now, word number 5 is I think. The next morning, Mark has a one-on-one meeting with his manager. She asks him for his opinion on the new project plan. Mark wants to sound confident, professional, but he keeps starting the same way.
So, Mark, what do you think about the new timeline?
I think it is okay. I think we can do it. I think the team will be ready.
I think. This is weak. It sounds like you are not sure. In professional English, we use stronger phrases to share our opinions. These phrases show that you have thought carefully, that your opinion matters. Repeat after me. It seems to me that. It seems to me that the timeline is realistic. My take on this is that we need 1 more week. I'd argue that the team is more than ready. I believe that this plan will work. I feel that we should start earlier. From where I stand, the risks are low. In my opinion, this is our best option. As far as I'm concerned, we are ready. Very good. You are almost there. Word number 6 is I'm tired.
It is now 6 o'clock in the evening. Mark has had a long day. He runs into Sarah near the elevator. She notices he looks different.
Hey, Mark. You okay? You don't look so good.
Yeah, I'm just tired. Very tired. So tired.
I'm tired. This is fine. But in English, we have much more expressive words. Words that describe exactly how you feel. Words with more emotion, more color. Repeat after me. I'm exhausted. I am absolutely exhausted. I'm worn out. After today, I am completely worn out. I'm beat. I'm beat. I need to go home. I'm drained. That meeting left me totally drained. I'm wiped out. I'm wiped out. What a day. Now, this is the final one for today. Please do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next lesson or story. Word number 7 is and.
The next morning, Mark sits down to write an important email to the client. He reads it back to himself when he is done, and he notices something.
The project went well and the team worked hard and the results were outstanding and the client was happy and we are ready for the next phase.
And. Too many ands make your English sound simple, like a child writing their first essay. In professional English, in written English especially, we use connectors. These words link ideas. They make your sentences sound intelligent and well-structured. Let's learn them together. Repeat after me. Moreover. The results were outstanding. Moreover, the client was very happy. Furthermore. The team worked hard. Furthermore, they delivered on time. In addition. In addition, we are ready for the next phase. On top of that. On top of that, the budget came in under target. Besides.
Besides the main results, we also improved our process. Additionally, the feedback from the client was excellent.
Very good. You did an outstanding job. Every day when you speak English, remember these words. Use them. Practice them. That is how you improve. Leave a comment below. Tell me, which word was your favorite today? I'm your host, Garrett, and I will see you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep growing, keep speaking English. Bye. See you next time.